It's good to live in Nigeria, sha. Because everything in Nigeria is going well.
Okay, Nigeria is going well for you.
Yes, because I grew up in Nigeria. I don't know how Togo life is this with business, everything. So it's Nigeria one I really know. So that's why I say that Nigeria is.
Also married to a Nigerian man.
Yes.
Did you ever consider marrying a Togolese man?
Like I like Togo man to marry or what?
No, okay, you've never met a Togo man.
No, I've met a Togo man, but I no want my spirit no go there. So I like Nigerian men. Some customer have a problem. Some will be harsh on person, some will be nice. So
What do you mean? Why will a customer just come in and be harsh?
some don't like some people to do some of that, like a little mistake they will be harsh on somebody, like I don't like it, I don't like it, so yeah, lose it, something like that. Some we say don't worry about it, just do it, I will like it. Or some will come, we say just do this style for me, so the style will fit me, just do it. So when you finish it, dem will like it. But some wey dem say let me choose this style, so dem will choose the style o. Later when you finish it, dem will say you no like this style, this is not the style I choose. Dem will be harsh and be doing say don't touch my hair again, I don't like it, I don't like it, don't touch it. So you be doing somehow like so I don't know my handwork again. So it be, that's why say some be nice. And some when you finish that hair finish, dem will be nice, dem will pay you very well, and dem will give you extra money again, say leave the change. So that's the channel. No, it's good to be a hairdresser.
Why is it good to be a hairdresser? Why would you tell the young woman it's good to be a hairdresser?
You know, woman, is good for women to have a handwork, so something that will carry you up when you have your shop. So you no be rushing that I want to go and do this business, I want to go and do this business. Or you say I'm learning I want to rush. So that you be madam by yourself. Anytime you go to your shop, anytime you like, you open your shop. Or when you have apprentice, the apprentice go and open the shop for you, so you now relax. Anytime you like, you now go to your shop. I close, so I don't have my shop here too, but I'm helping my sister. So sometimes I go out like 7, after 7 sometime. So when I go out, I used to bath my baby. When I bath my baby, I will bath, then I will cook before bathing sha. I will cook, do everything, arrange my baby, she will sleep. So when my husband come back, I will give him food, she go and bath, and I give